Nice amber color. Okay. Hi, welcome to the Super Strike Kitchen. I know UMESHU plum wine. It's tasty, I like it. There are many UMESHU in the market, but it's really expensive. 300 milliliter small bottle cost $15 Canadian. It's kind of expensive. Using the apricot and some cheaper vodka, I can make some similar UMESHU taste apricot liqueur. Okay, here we go. Wash and wipe the apricot, then remove some stem part. Try to find the harder ones, like green ones or yellow ones, not like ripe ones. But ripe ones, I can use it, but it's more sweet. Yeah, fruits it's more sweet, so if I use the ripe ones, maybe reduce the amount of sugar by 50% less, something like that. So yeah, just make a sense. Green apricot, maybe I don't need a lemon, but a little bit ripe one or yellow apricot, maybe use a lemon. It tastes close to UMESHU plum wine. Mm, 2.3, 1.1 liter. So 800 grams. I mean, 1 pound rock sugar. So put the old stuff like a sandwich, apricot, lemon, sugar, and the apricot again, lemon, and sugar, just like that. Now this yellow rock sugar is found at the Asian market. And finally fill up with the vodka. Don't buy an expensive vodka, just to find the cheap ones. Works good. Yeah, in 2 weeks It's not ready yet, but just shake the bottle sometimes. Okay, it's tasting time. Look at this space on the bottom. I should have drunk just only a little bit, but it's so good. I drank a lot. Again, yeah. So it's been 6 weeks now. Now it's start drinking, but aging like a 3 months, more taste more better. But I can drink from 4 to 6 weeks. Right now it's pretty good, but I need more strong flavor. Maybe leave it for another month or 2.
So before you throw away the lemon,
it's really
squeeze
good.
it, take it out, Vodka
Fruity,
juice. That's tasty part.
Sweetness, everything, it's really well balanced. So use 800 gram apricot, but a little bit harder one. It's not ripe one. And 450 grams sugar and vodka. Yeah, that's it. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you at the next episode. Cheers.